Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with media capture failed event with the error code 0xA00F4271 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And this common error message when launching the camera app, the issue mainly appears due to an outdated camera driver, corruptions in the camera app, or unupdated Windows versions. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots and under dito sa options, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, ang next step, so dito lang sa other under dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung camera. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. So click mo lang yan. And madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang i-follow kung ano yung step-by-step method and procedure na pwede natin gawin para ma-fix yung error or problems sa camera. Alright? So once nagawa mo na dito, and then other solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. And dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps. And dito sa apps, makikita mo kaagad dito yung installed apps, so click mo lang yan. So dito sa installed apps at dito lang sa search app ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung camera. At makikita mo kaagad dito yung camera apps natin. So ang next step, so dito lang sa side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And then i-select mo lang dito or i-click mo lang dito yung advanced option. So dito sa kanyang advanced option, so scroll down. At dito lang sa reset. So if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair and wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. So once repair complete, ang next step, so if this app still isn't working right, and then kailangan na natin itong i-reset. Okay, so i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And then makikita mo dito yung notifications na this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So i-click mo lang dito yung reset at wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na complete na yung reset procedure natin. And next solution na pwede ulit natin gawin, so close lang natin tong settings. So dito lang sa start menu, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung device manager. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung cameras and then i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step, kailangan lang natin i-update itong kanyang driver. Okay? So makikita mo dito yung ating HD user facing. So i-click mo lang yan and right click and select mo lang dito yung update driver. So mayroon ditong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers, and then select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then itap mo lang tong search automatically. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. And next step, so close lang natin tong device manager at dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix media capture failed event with error code 0xA00F4271 and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.